You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome and hello. I'm Shell. So today's video, I have another PR package from Glam. They were kind enough to send me over 4 additional gel polishes that I want to show you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned and we're going to go ahead and jump right into the video. Okay, so I have 4 colors from their collection, which is House of Change. And these are, I believe they're like supposed to be like syrup colors or whatever. So they are made in Korea. So I want to quickly show you this collection. So I picked up 4, well, I chose 4 colors. And the first one is called Focus. And these bottles are 12 mLs. And I did swatch these off camera. It's like I did the other ones because I didn't want this video to be too long because I wanted to create a nail look for you guys. So that is what that color looks like. Okay, and then the next color is Magnetic, and it's this pretty burnt orange, really pretty for the fall. All these colors are really pretty for the fall. And so that is this color right here. And these colors are a little bit more sheer than the other formula that they have. I did notice, I guess that's hence why they called it the syrup. Supposed to be like syrup. Okay, so the next color is Prosperous. That's cute. So it's this pretty green. Really pretty color. Okay. They went on really good too, so. And that is that color. And then last but not least is the color Virgo. And it's this pretty teal. It's coming up more blue on camera, but in person it has more of a green undertone to it. It's really pretty. And then this is it swatched. I got a little fuzzy on that. Don't mind that. But that is the color. This is a gorgeous color. Gorgeous color. So I'm going to show you really quickly all 4 colors once again. So this is the part of that collection. I like these bottles too. They're really cute. Really cute bottles. It goes with my background. I didn't try to do it, but it actually matches really well. Okay, so this collection comes with 8 colors and I have 4 of the 8. So I'm going to move this out the way and then we're going to go ahead and jump into a nail look. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these 2 colors in my little nail look. A cute little Halloween nail look. And okay, so I am going to go in with the Glam's base coat. And then I'm going to put these in a light. So I'm going to polish all 3 and put them in a light. Okay, so I have those out the light. And what I did was I just took my palette and I put the orange and the mustard color, which is Focus and Magnetic. And what I want to do is I want to create, it's almost like a textured look, but I'm going to use this little black little sponge and I'm just going to pick some of that color up and I'm going to do like splotches on the nail, but I want to kind of concentrate it right in the middle. So I want to do that. That is really pretty. So I'm going to do that to all 3 nails. No rhyme, no reason. And then I'm gonna cure this under the light and I'll come back. Okay, so now that those are out of the light, I'm going to do the same thing using the orange. And I'm gonna repeat that on all of the nails and put them in the light, and I'll be right back. Okay, so they are out of the light, and I did cure all of these for 60 seconds. I'm not sure, but I believe these still can be cured in 30 seconds, but I'm so used to putting 60 on. So, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some alcohol and a lint-free wipe, and I'm going to wipe the tacky layer off because I want to apply some stickers, and I don't want the stickers to come up. Okay, so I have these stickers right here. These are some glow in the dark stickers, and I'm just gonna take off the images that I want and apply that to the nail. Okay, so you can see I have some extra hanging off the side. I'm going to nip that off because you want to make sure that you don't have anything hanging off. That way when you apply your top coat, it doesn't peel. So whether you're using stickers or water decals, you want to make sure you don't have anything hanging off on the side. And if you do clip it, and then you can go in and kind of buff the side of it to make sure it has a rough surface. So when you apply your top coat, it has something to stick to. So I'm going to do that off camera. I'm going to top coat them and we're going to come back. Okay guys, so here is the finished look. I think these came out really cute. Simple, easy, quick. I just went in and added some crystals on there with some caviar beads. And I did the middle nail with a matte top coat. And that was actually from Madam Glam. So tell me guys down below what you think of these. We're going to show you what they look like when they glow. I have everything linked down below as well as the discount code, so don't forget that. So now we're going to go ahead. I'm going to cut the lights out and we're going to see how well this glows. Okay, so here is what they look like glowing. These are super cute. If you guys stay to the end of the video, thank you so much. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And as always, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.
I was on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed.